What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're gonna talk about Bitcoin and Ordinals news and maybe some of this early alpha. So as you already know, Cyberkonks did an airdrop of decentralized token, which is a token on runes. So if you've been holding Prometheans, you were airdrop, I believe it was around 900,000 tokens, and that airdrop is worth around $3,000 right now. And if you look at the runes market cap, pretty much everything is in red. And I believe this is only temporary because Bitcoin is correcting and runes are not performing well. So if you ask me, of course, no financial advice, but the top 10 runes will be a good pickup for the long term. Do your own research on some of these runes if you would like to buy them for the long term, because maybe when the narrative for runes is going to pick up even more of these top 10 runes are going to appreciate in value. Another interesting thing that I want to show you is the first rune to rune swap on testnet. And this is from the Omnisat protocol, which is the contributor BRC20 swap. And right now everything is happening on testnet. So there's a chance that there might be an airdrop if you're gonna start using testnet. Maybe by interacting on their testnet, you're gonna accumulate a certain amount of points. And at the end, maybe these points will be redeemable. Maybe they will transform into Omnisat token. So we don't have a lot of protocols on Bitcoin, Omnisat, Liquidium, and I'm going to be showing you in a second one more that I'm currently farming. The another one is stacking DAO, which has the crucial role in keeping stacks decentralized. And I've been talking about stacking DAO for a while now. You can see they have also the points on the website, so you can see how much points I accumulated. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to put the link down below. And here essentially you need to hold the STX. You can do some DeFi activities, STX, and you can also get referrals. And also OG and Genesis NFTs will give you some certain amount of points. And we don't know when the airdrop will happen, but as you can see, we have some indicator that at some point it's very likely that we're gonna see a token from stacking DAO. Another news I want to show you is Animoca brands, and they are behind the Opal powered by a Blyth. So essentially, Animoca is one of the biggest VCs in the NFT space. And right after this news, price of Blythstone, and it went from 0.005 to above 0.01. So it did 2x. As you can see, the supply is only 5,000. So it has chance to move even further. Of course, nothing in this video is financial advice. We know that Animoca is pretty much the biggest VC in the space. They are behind many different projects. They also have own collection, which did really well. Another one I want to show you is RuneCoin finally got listed on OKX. So it was the first token to get listed on one of these biggest exchanges. And it went to around 27 or 28 sats per RSIG. And right now we corrected back again to 21. I believe RSIG has still a lot of upside potential. There's some rumors that they're working on the exchange. So I'm really bullish because that's one of these well-funded teams in the rune space. So I'm holding my RSIG and I'm curious what they're gonna come up with in the future. Another one that I wanna show you is Ducat protocol, which is the first Bitcoin L1 native stablecoins on runes. You can see more teams and developers, they coming to runes and they start building cool stuff. So essentially Ducat leverages Ordinals inscriptions as the form of smart contract runes tokens. So overall, really exciting to see more teams are developing new protocols on runes. And last but not least, I want to show you the Merlin chain. So right now you can go and unstake your BTC. So I'm going to link this post down below if you want to do that. A lot of people ask me, how can you unstake your assets, whether you have Bitcoin or whether you have some ordinals. Just make sure you guys read that carefully and then you can bridge it out. Another one that I want to show you is the new narrative that is picking up slowly, which is the DMT. So soon we're gonna have this new ordinal collection on DMT, which is called Redacted. How we know that the founder is the king, art for people. So if you've been holding the first collection Barbies, you're gonna be included in the phase 1, and the price for that is going to be 0.005 BTC. So one Barbie is 1 mint, and mint stacks to 10 per wallet. So that's the phase 2, and also we have the phase 3 community wallet, and the mint is going to happen within this block height, and the mint is going to happen on Mscrite, a block part. And personally, I think this is going to do really well since it's one of these first projects that not a lot of people are looking into right now. And once this is going to do really well, more eyes will start to shift towards DMT projects. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know in the comment down below. Smash that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.